You know what happened? We thought we recorded and we didn't.
And we were so funny.
We were funny, you missed. So now we're not going to be funny.
There's no funny.
Whatever.
So I'm going to show you.
Funny.
Okay, ready? Ready? Ready?
Okay.
Copy it. Copy it. Copy it. There you go. Done. Finished. Bye. Go take your quiz. I'm only kind of kidding. All right. Rewind. Rewind. Today, we're working on the coordinate plane. You can find help in your book on pages 100 to 103. Should have a piece of graph paper like this. It should be in your grubby little paws, and you should be ready to go. I would like you to have colors, please. Colors, colors. All right, first thing that you need to know is that this entire graph is called the coordinate plane. On it, you have numbers. You have a couple of letters. You also have 4 quadrants. All of that's going to be really, really important. This axis that goes up and down is called the y-axis. Watch Mrs. Rachel. She's signing it for you.
Y-axis. That's the vertical one. Y-axis, up and down.
See, last video,
up and down.
We were so funny. All right, this other one is called the x-axis, and it goes from left to right. Left to right. In the middle, which is 0, you have the origin. Origin is like the beginning, the starting point. Choose another color.
X, origin.
One more time.
Y, X, origin. X, Y, origin. Coordinate plane. 102, 103. It's Friday.
I know I want to go home. But it's not 8 o'clock at night this time.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. Well, we have no reason. Why are we all... Well, it's like, you know, normal time, whatever.
Quadrant 1, using a Roman numeral. Quadrant 2, using a Roman numeral. Quadrant 3, using a Roman numeral. Quadrant 4, using a Roman numeral. Really important that you remember which order the quadrants belong, where they belong, where is their place. Easy, easy way to remember, which we stole from Mrs. Valdez. You make a C, starting quadrant 1. That's how you know where to go. You start in quadrant 1. You make the C for coordinate. C. C for coordinate. And then you make your little C right there. So if you didn't catch this one fast enough, now you got this one. Oh, look at the magic. All right, moving along. That's the labels. That's the vocabulary for today. Next part that you're going to need to do is, oh my goodness, I have like 87 text messages. Okay, another piece of graph paper. This one's got a little pink action on it, you know, because pink's awesome, because it didn't erase very well. Okay, here we go.
X, Y, origin.
Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Now, we're going to talk about ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are like the address for the dots. You have to give them with a parenthesis, the number, a comma, the number, parenthesis. So you're going to have a number here and a number here. It could be positive or it could be negative. If you look at the coordinate plane that you have, you can see the numbers. Here's your origin. When you go up from the origin, it's positive. When you go to the right of the origin, it's positive. When you go to the left, it's negative. And when you go down, it's negative. Basically, all this is 2 number lines that have crossed each other. So you think thermometer, number line. And they just intersected at their origin. So, a couple of examples. Oh, okay. Here's my really cute picture from last time. I'm going to just go over it with you. Bakersfield, it's really hot. I go to the beach in the summer. I wish. Because I'm going to go and find Captain Jack's buried treasure. Because, you know, I'm sure he left me a special present. So here's my sand. Here's like a little hill. Then over here we've got the water. And I am a cute green person. No, I'm not an alien. I'm just a cute green person. And in my hand, I have a metal detector. Because I'm going to find a stinking buried treasure. So when I'm walking back and forth across the sand.
Kayla, Arizona, to the office with your things. Kayla, Arizona, to the office.
Bye, Kayla. Go back and forth. All of a sudden, I get this loud screeching sound that goes, oh, treasure. But I have to go back and forth first. Then, once I get the beep, I know that I'm either going to go down or up to find the treasure. So that's going to be the same thing that you're going to do. So right here, let's say I give you an ordered pair of 3 and 5. Well, you got to think. You're walking across the beach. So that's going to be here with your x-axis. Because x is going to come first. So we're going to go, oh, there's my 3. Then I'm going to go, oh, it went beep. So now I'm going to go up to the 5. I knew to go up because it's a positive. So I find the 3 on my x-axis, my 5 on my y-axis, and I go until they meet.
I need right.
Office interruptions no more.
Our last video, we didn't have any.
Because it was 8 o'clock at night. No one was being called to the office.
Our first one of this.
Oh, okay. Because it was before school was out.
No, we just did it.
Oh, okay. Well.
It was because we were fast and it was great.
Now they're calling.
Now?
Stay at school. Do not go home early.
Now it's irritating.
Okay, fast.
Okay, next one. Gonna say that we have our little friend R. You want to know where R lives? Because he's got your treasure. So you look. Ooh. You give the number on the x-axis first. Parenthesis. -7. +7. That is where R lives. Really would put the ordered pair right there. I wrote it down here just so you could see it.
It's a coordinate plane. Sometimes I also call them coordinates.
Yes, they do. They do. Speaking of your quiz for today, you need to give us the coordinates of each point. Remember, you can go to the book, pages 100 to 103, and that when you enter it onto Google Form, you need to do your parenthesis, number, comma, number, parenthesis. Here's A, B, C, D, E. Go over, then go up and down. We are finito.
Ciao!